Pumpkin, an ingredient that has traveled a long way throughout history, is much more than just food. It's a symbol of the connection between cultures and the land. Its history dates back thousands of years in America, where indigenous peoples cultivated it with care and incorporated it into their daily diet. This beautiful fruit, often seen in its most common vibrant orange hue, has witnessed the evolution of gastronomy and how humans have learned to harness what nature offers. Over the years, pumpkin has traveled across the globe, adapting to different climates and cultures. In Europe, for example, its arrival marked a new chapter in cooking, where chefs began to experiment with its flavors and textures. From soups to desserts, pumpkin has become an essential ingredient, especially in autumn cuisine. The harvest season brings an explosion of recipes that celebrate its natural sweetness and versatility. We can't talk about pumpkin without mentioning its incredible nutritional benefits. This food, low in calories and rich in vitamins A and C, stands out as a formidable ally in strengthening the immune system. In a world where health is a priority, pumpkin emerges as a smart choice for those looking to take care of their well-being. Its high fiber content not only aids digestion, but also contributes to a feeling of fullness, making it an ideal option for those who want to maintain a healthy weight. And let's not forget its antioxidants, which help protect the heart and combat cellular damage, making pumpkin a true superfood. At Cantina 33, we have developed a special affection for pumpkin, not only for its flavor and versatility, but also for the history and tradition it represents. In our kitchen, pumpkin takes center stage in a variety of dishes that celebrate its essence. From creamy purees that embrace the palate with their smoothness to an irresistible oven-roasted pumpkin that caramelizes its natural sugars, each bite is a true delight that invites you to savor the experience again. In our hands, pumpkin transforms into a culinary masterpiece that reflects our passion for gastronomy and our desire to share special moments with our guests. Imagine stepping into Cantina 33, located at Calle Campomanes 5 in Madrid, and being welcomed by the warm, inviting aroma of pumpkin roasting in the oven. Every corner of the space is infused with the essence of this ingredient, which not only nourishes the body, but also feeds the soul. The laughter and conversations of diners intertwine with the sounds of utensils in the kitchen, creating a vibrant, lively atmosphere. Here, pumpkin is not just an ingredient, it is an experience that is shared and celebrated. Every dish we serve is an invitation to explore the fascinating world of gastronomy. Oven-roasted pumpkin, for instance, is presented not only as a delicious plate, but also as a visually stunning one. Its golden color and smooth texture are a feast for the senses. Upon tasting it, one can feel it melt in the mouth, releasing a subtle sweetness that perfectly complements herbs and spices. Each bite is an explosion of flavor that transports diners to a place where food is art, and every ingredient tells a story. The versatility of pumpkin is also reflected in our purees, which are made with love and dedication. The creaminess of these dishes is the result of careful preparation, where pumpkin is blended with other fresh, high-quality ingredients. The combination of flavors and textures creates a unique experience that delights the palate and leaves an indelible mark on the memories of those who visit us. Each spoonful is a reminder that food can be a journey, an adventure that connects us to our roots and invites us to explore new horizons. As the autumn season settles in Madrid, pumpkin becomes a symbol of renewal and celebration. It's the perfect time to enjoy its richness and versatility in the kitchen. At Cantina 33, we feel fortunate to share this experience with our diners, who become accomplices in our passion for gastronomy. Each visit is an opportunity to discover new ways to enjoy pumpkin, from traditional dishes to innovative creations that surprise and delight. We sincerely thank everyone who accompanies us on this culinary journey. Pumpkin, with its history and benefits, reminds us of the importance of the connection between food and culture. We look forward to seeing you soon at Cantina 33, where pumpkin is just the beginning of a dining experience that celebrates life, health, and the joy of sharing special moments around the table. Here, each dish tells a story, and every bite is a step into a world filled with flavor and creativity. We're waiting for you with open arms to enjoy all that this fantastic ingredient has to offer.